Alright, so I will be completely tearing out this interior. I have just got the dash out while episode 2 was uploading and my phone was charging. And it was a pain. I'll say that. Next, I want to start pulling out the passenger chair and then the back seat. And then I'm going to start pulling out these little, what do you call it? All these side panels and such. So, first off, I believe I'm going to need a 12. All right, so now the back seat's done. We got the panels on the side, the door panel and driver's side, the panels on this side. We just got to do the passenger seat panel, but I'm going to wait till I do the door lock actuator swap, because the ones in this one's toast, as well as the key barrel, because I'm going to be using my original keys, because not only do I have the black key, but I also have the valet key in my wallet, and I don't want to go get another key cut. And I don't want to have to go get one programmed too, because I'm going to be swapping the ECU out for the manual one. I'm also swapping the tumbler for the ignition. For there, I mean, we got the engine and transmission out today. I just got to get the axles out of the way, what's left of the axles out of the way, replace that rear transmission mount, maybe get rid of this, because I'm not going to be using it anyway, because ABS off-road is no fun times. Other than that, I mean, try and get some of these leaves out of here and they'll be ready for the engine of the old one. I'm gonna get some paint and some clear coat, one more can of the original color mixed up to match this fender, and then I'm probably gonna use that bumper because it has the cutouts for the fog lights, and this one doesn't. This one I just slapped on it for right now, so it looked a little better while it's sitting here. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. But the next episode should be the start of actually turning this into a safari car. I'm going to start by swapping the roof rack over before I put the headliner in, so I can bolt it, the pilot rack, to the roof and not have to worry about pulling the headliner back out. Then we're going to finish paint matching this fender and probably that bumper, and then there we're probably going to slap the brush guard on it. So the next episode's going to be pretty eventful for getting it safaried out. I might even move the lift over, I'm not sure yet. That's going to be next weekend though, because I'm not going to have the time to work on it until next weekend because of work. Tomorrow I'm not going to be working on it because it's Christmas and I'm going to be spending it with some family. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this third episode here. We did get a lot done today, and I'm pretty proud of that. So we're getting a bunch of steps closer towards the final Safari Accord that we're looking for. So we'll see you on the next one.